Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? I have another quick and dirty knife review for you. Alright, this knife was about $10, but if you include the shipping and taxes, it was about $14 shipped. Here is the box. I've been told by my viewers that can read Cyrillic that that is pronounced Knox. Alright, so Knox brand. And this is how it will arrive. Yeah, interesting. There is a skeletonized pocket clip. It has semi-open construction, liners. It's got a flipper as your opener. Has this feature could be used as a wave. It has an opening slot. It's got a lanyard slot as well. Opens fairly smoothly. Interesting blade shape. All right, very pointed, would be good for slicing. Maybe some drawing cuts with the tip as well. It is a liner lock. It does lock securely. Now Knox is a Russian brand, but I believe their production stuff is made in China. And because this was on Temu and it was really cheap, you know, I don't know how to tell if this is a legit Knox or what, or if it's a Temu Knox, or if they just make some extra and they sell some out the back door. Who knows? Don't know. Here is a comparison with another Knox knife. Now this one was more expensive. It was like around $22, $23, but you can see why it's more costly, just because it's bigger, nicer. Yeah, these are some Temu Knox knives. Now this knife, actually the listing disappeared. I think it just sold out because it was such a low price. As I was looking for the old listing, I found a new listing which had a knife that has the exact same handle but a different blade shape. There's going to be something like this popping up again and again there. So this video will be a reference for you whenever you might see something like this. When I first got this knife, I did do a little paper slicing, and it failed the paper test. I mean, it wasn't dull, but it wasn't really as sharp as we would want, but I did touch it up since then. Right, so just be advised, if you get something like this, you're going to have to touch it up yourself right out of the box. But now it's cutting some strap material. Now as for the steel, well, because I couldn't find the old listing, I don't remember what they said the steel was, or if they said anything, but can you read that? It says something D2. I've actually already tested this out and cut a bunch of things and smoothed out the edge a little bit. So after some usage, I can tell you I definitely don't believe this is D2. I believe it's something like AUS 8A, or something roughly equivalent to AUS 8A. So that would be perfectly logical for this price. Now what's up YouTube? Alright, I'm just going to cut one thing with this. I'm going to do some woodwork with it. Alright, I seem to have an endless supply of these stakes that were carved from firewood that I've done for other videos. I think this use is a lot harder than you would typically use a cheap folder for. I think basically, you know, inexpensive pocket knives are basically package openers, or, you know, but I'm out here, might as well do this. That's what we have. Hope you're all doing well. Alright, that's a cool breeze. And sorry about the wind noise, and sorry about the shadows. We're going to lose the light in an hour or two. I had to get this out here for you. Very hot and humid today. I don't know if you can see, but I've been out here all afternoon doing stuff. So, yeah, that's sweat. Alright, this is doing well. Alright, so we got a spike, a double-ended spike. Was it worth the $14? Yeah, I'd say it's worth the I mean, how could it? Yeah, it's worth the $14. I mean, the deployment, the lockup, pretty good. It needed some sharpening, and the steel probably isn't the best, but it's perfectly worth it for the low price, right? So it's a budget play, and if you keep those expectations managed, you won't be disappointed. All right. Most of us are on to bigger and better, or just better stuff, but there's always the new people out there. Don't forget the young people, people just starting out, or people on a super tight budget. I try to help you out. All right, so that was this. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. I'm out.